Yo, everybody. Hey, Simon here with Aim High Photography. Hey, guys, I got me a new toy in stock. Let's get right to it. Boom! Guys, it is the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. Yeah, I got mine. Yeah. I got mine. Guys, we're going to open it up and check it out. So let's do that right now. Let's open this up. Guys, I know they're still hard to get here in the United States, but yeah. I ordered mine through eBay, and if you watch this video all the way through, I will tell you how I got mine, what I did, and if you want to do the same thing, the choice will be yours. But yeah, this only took about a week to come in, right? Only about a week to come in. I got it. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. I got the Fly More combo. I've had another GoPro. Oh, you know what? Before we do that, let me just show y'all. Let's leave the suspense a little bit more, right? So in here, I have the old Mavic Mini GoPro. Guys, this thing actually did me pretty good. I had this thing for a while. I crashed it a couple of times. You know, nothing major happened. It took a fall, put it right back up in the air. I mean, this thing gave me really no problems, right? Look at it so y'all can see that. Guys, this thing is really nice. Yeah, the Mavic Mini. Yeah, it was really good. It shoots in I think what, 2.7K. This thing is, I mean, 2.7K, guys, is really enough. It really is enough. Okay, yeah, the more the merrier. Oh, I just broke this little piece. Oh well, I got another one of these. Yeah, 4K, 5K, 8K, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, the more the merrier. I get it. We want more. All right, so we're gonna put this up. But what I didn't like about this one here is I had to get, because the remote, look at this, guys, look. I had to get this little gizmo in order to use my cell phone, because, you know, it doesn't have like an all-in-one remote control. You have to use this, you have to put your cell phone in there and then do all this kind of stuff. Guys, it really was a hassle to, and if you did, this was the best design, like the original design, trying to put your phone in here by itself, it was just a mess. I have the iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, it was just too big. If you got a regular iPhone, something like that, maybe it's not an issue. But me, I had the bigger iPhone. All right, so let's get back to this. So yeah, this is it here. Y'all see that? Here we go. Here we go. All right, so yeah, let's open this up. Check it out. Yeah, let's do that. Let me turn off this light. Bing. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Oh. Open this up. Nice little case. I got my DJI drone. Look at this. They could have put DJI on it. Come on, DJI. Really? This thing wasn't cheap. This thing was like over $1,000. Seriously? Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's look in here. So yeah, this is what's in here. Yeah, let's check it out. All right. So ooh, what is this? What is this? Y'all know what it is. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got it. Ooh, man, this thing is, this thing is nice looking. It has like a slate color or gray, if you guys want to call it. This thing is, and it feels nice. Yeah, the Mini 5 Pro, they have come a long way. I don't even know how to take this off, but I'm gonna be very careful with this. I'm gonna pull. Yeah, I did not have the 4 like some people had. I did not. I went from the Mavic Mini that you guys saw to this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. All right, which leg's open first? Oh, okay, fold downward. Okay, making sure, because you got to open up the leg sometime in the right order. What's that? Where did this come from? Was this just nothing? Okay, hopefully not. And then pull these legs back, pull that back. God, look how mean that look. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is serious. That is serious. Let's see what else is in the bag. Let's see what else is in the bag. All right. What do we got here? Look like some batteries. Got some extra batteries. Yeah, I mean, why not get the Fly More combo if you're planning on flying? All right, so I wonder if there's one battery already in here. Let me just check and see if there's one battery already in the drone. I doubt it, but oh, is this a battery? Oh yeah, There's a battery already in the backside of the drone. Y'all see that? Uh-oh. Let's do this. Yeah, so there was already one battery here. It goes in like that. And yeah, there's no click. Let's see. There we go. There's a click. All right. So we got one battery and 2 more to go. Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh. Y'all see it? It's lit up. Y'all see that? It's lit. It's lit. Because what I've been hearing on these drones here, when you open up the legs or the wings or whatever you want to call it, it automatically turns it on. All right. So it makes the startup time of flying so much easier. So just by opening up the legs, getting them all in position.
DJI Fly app 激活飞机. Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Ooh, okay. I hit this button right here on the side. I hit this little button here on the side, and that's what it said. Let's do it again.
请先连接 DJI Fly app 激活飞机. Connect to DJI Fly to activate aircraft.
Yeah, all right. So yeah, we're gonna just put that down and we're gonna just leave it like that. Get back to this here. Yeah, the battery. So yeah, cool. And to charge it, probably just a USB-C, of course, just like everything else. Got the USB-C cable right up there. Right there. Oh, you know what? Let's do. How about that? USB-C and the power. All right. So yeah, we can actually start charging. Let's see. Oh, we can start charging this up, which is what we're gonna do. That way we can get that done and get some flying. What's in here? Oh, a little goodie bag. Some extra wings. All right. A lot of wings. I mean, look at all this. Guys, really? This thing has obstacle avoidance, guys. If you need this, you did something wrong. You don't need to be flying. If you're replacing wings on a drone that has obstacle avoidance. All right, and then looks like you got some stickers and I don't know, some other literature inside of here. What is this? Can anybody tell me? What is this? What? Are y'all serious? No way. I didn't know it came with ND filters. What? Guys, it came with the ND filters. ND 8, 32, and 120. Oh, are you serious? Wow. So I'm going to have to experiment with this. I use ND filters on my cameras. Oh, seriously? Nice. Guys, I did not know that part. All right, cool, but that's good. And then, guys, yes, the remote. The remote. And like I said, this is why I really didn't fly the Mavic Mini a whole lot, because the remote. I had to use my cell phone, so I would have to, I can't fly and, operate the drone like I would like to. So yeah, guys, look at this, the built-in screen. You just turn this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. If I want to take a picture, want to record, look at that. There's a USB-C once again for charging it. Here are the remote handles right there. 1, 2. Take this off. Here you got function buttons, C1, C2. Don't know exactly what they're for yet. All right, so we're gonna just put these on. Let's get this bag. Is there anything else in this bag? Nope, so we can lay the bag out to the side. Let's get rid of the bag. Just put this on here. Just screwing this on. All right, I'm just screwing this here onto that little peg. All right, you ain't gotta torque it down. Just get it snug, maybe a little bit past snug. It's tight there, and give it a little, and that should be enough. All right, so let's get some power to this. Let's get some power to this. All right, I'm sure once these go all the way to, that last bar there, we should be good to go. So we're gonna just power this on. There we go, look. Look at that. That screen is nice and bright. I mean, I know I'm inside, but that screen is still nice. Look at this. Okay, English, yes. Yep, you gotta agree to everything. Yeah, I'm in the United States. Okay, next. Put your Wi-Fi in. Put your password in. Do 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 do. Hit OK. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Next. Beijing. I'm not in Beijing. All right. Can we just get out of there? I'm not in Hong Kong. Eastern There we go. Steeler Nation in the house. We gotta enter some more stuff. Enter your phone number. 777-9311. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, so once you have your account, you got to go in there and register with DJI if you don't already have an account. So I got to go in there and do all that stuff a little bit later because I got my phone turned off because I didn't want no interruptions. Guys, this is the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. So I'm going to get it all registered and yeah, 249 grams. So I don't need any kind of certification or licensing or anything like that to fly it. I pretty much can fly it anywhere and that's what I'm going to do. So guys, let's go fly.
Baby, shawty, shawty, shawty. Okay, Vita, let's see if you can catch up. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna make a U-turn at the White House right here, and then I'm gonna make a U-turn back. Okay, decreasing speed from 50%. Okay, slowing down 40%. 20, 10, and we're speeding back up. Oh, Vita doing good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna slow down because I'm in hot. Okay, so far he's doing good. Can move on to sidewalk.
Let's see if we can figure out where it is. I still do not see it. It's up there. I see me. Oh, I see it. I got my eyes on it, guys. I got my eyes on it. But guys, yeah, this is the new DJI. Oh, what is it called? Look at this. Look. Oh, y'all can't see it. Wrong camera. Oh, did I hold it long enough? Let's see, maybe not. We'll hold it a little bit longer. How long do you have to hold it to turn it on? Let's see, let's hold it longer. I mean, it is a drone, it does go in the air. I guess they don't want you just to be able to hold it just a really short period of time. Okay. Maybe you gotta move it out of N. Let's see. Oh, move it to S. Try it there. All right, how do we turn this on? How do we turn it on? Okay, we're gonna put it back in the N. Okay, we'll come back to that part. It shouldn't be that dead when we still have, but it could be. I mean, yeah, it could be because nothing is actually solid. So, but you would think that we would get a little bit of something. Crazy. Let me check this. Make sure we're getting juice. Yep, we are charging up. Good. Everything is charging up oh so well. Make sure I didn't overlook something here. I don't see this being anything, but maybe so. Who knows? Maybe it's two. Maybe it's two at the same time. I don't know.